Hi everyone, we have to factorize these two sets of equation here. So we have 3x squared minus 10x plus 3, that's the first one. And we have to factorize this one as well. X squared minus 4x minus 12 is very simple when we are factorizing. So the first one here is solution. I have 3x squared minus 10x plus 3. So how did I go about this? How can I factorize? Now, the simplest way you can do now is take this constant, multiply it by this, by the coefficient of this x squared. We have 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay, other factors I can multiply that will give me 9. I have 1 times 9 itself is still 9. Now, the idea behind this is which of these you can pair together, you can add up, you can look for the sum that will now give you the middle number here, which is minus 10x. Okay, so I can easily say minus x plus minus 9. Minus x means like minus 1x plus minus 9x. Okay, which is same as saying minus x minus 9x. Okay, so this will give me minus 10x. I can also say 1 times 9, which is 9. So when I add it up, okay, the sum of these factors, I can as well get this. So let me now solve. I have equals to 3x squared. Instead of writing minus 10x, I will replace this with this. Minus x minus 9x plus 3. So I'll now expand. So what the other is common, when I group it, I can say I have x is common to the two sides here. So I have 3x, when I say x times 3x, I have 3x squared minus 1. X times 1 is x. So minus, what the other is common, the common factor here is 3. Okay, so 3 into 3x, when I say 3 times 3x is 9x. Minus times minus is plus, so minus 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And when you observe closely, you see what you have in the bracket here is the same thing you are having here. So that means you are on the right track. So you can easily pair what you are having outside with the other one here. So you just say x minus 3, which is this and this. So you pick one out of this, which is 3x minus 1. To factorize this, so the constant here is 12, and the coefficient of x squared is 1, so we have 12 times 1, which is 12. Now, other factors that I can multiply that will give me 12 is, I can say 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12, and 1 times 12 itself. Now, which one of those factors I wrote here, that when I put them together, when I pair it together, I can have this middle one, which is minus 4x. So if I say to take this 2 and 6 and say I have minus 2x, I have plus 2x minus 6x. Okay, it's the same thing as minus 4x. 2x plus minus 6x is the same as minus 4x. So I'll replace, I have x squared. Instead of writing this, I'll keep this. Plus 2x minus 6x minus 12. Now, what that is common, I have x into x plus 2 minus, what that is common here, I have 6 into x plus, minus times plus is minus, into 2, so 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 8 is 6. So I can easily pair this, and because they are not the same, I can represent it as 1 as saying x plus 2. Okay, so I put out 1 and pair the other two parts, which is x minus 6. Thank you. So we have to factorize 2x squared minus 21x plus 45. Okay, so we can take this constant and multiply it by 2. So when we do that, we have 45 times 2, which is 90. So my factors of 90, I can say 6 times 15, I have 90. I can say 3 times 30, I have 90. Okay, I can as well say 30 times 3 is 90, but I can quickly pick this. Okay, to calculate the middle one. So I can say minus 6 minus 15x gives me 21x. So I can replace. So I have 2x squared minus 6x minus 15x. So minus 6x minus 15x as replaced will give me minus 21x plus 45. So I'll now expand, open the bracket. So I have 2x into x minus 3. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x minus 15 into x, okay, minus 3. So when I say 15 times x is 15x, minus times minus is plus, 15 times 3 is 45. So I can now pick, I'll say 2x minus 15, okay, and x minus 3. Thank you. We have to find the value of x which this fraction is not divine. So when we say something, a fraction is not divine, or we say undefined fraction is a fraction where the denominator, okay, where the denominator equals to 0, okay, equals to 0. That is all. So what does that mean? Everything you have here equates it to 0. So you're having 2x squared minus 13x plus 15 equals to 0. Okay, so the next thing we can do now is to factorize. And how do we factorize? The simplest way of doing that is take this constant and multiply it by the coefficient of x squared, which is 2. So we say 15 times 2, we have 30. And the idea behind factorization is for us to look for two factors of 30. When we multiply it together, we have 30, and when we sum it up, it gives us this middle number here. So I can say 3 times 10 is still 30. Okay, 2 times 15 is 30, 1 times 30 is 30. So I can work with this. Okay, I'm to figure out minus 13x. So I can easily say minus 3x, okay, plus minus 10x. I can replace this with this. So I still have the same. So I'm having 2x squared. Instead of me writing minus 13x, I will replace it with this, which is minus 3x minus 10x. It's still the same thing as minus 13x plus 15. That is the idea behind factorization. Now, I'll now look for the common terms. I group it into two like this. What that is common to these two sides, I can say x. X is common. Into bracket 2x minus 3. So by the time you say x times 2x, you have this. X times 3, you have this. Minus. So what that is common to these two sides, that is 5. 5 is a common factor. Into 2x. When you say 5 times 2x, you have 10x. So you have minus, because minus times minus will give us plus. 5 times what will give us 15? 5 times 3, 15. So when you observe closely very well, you can see that what you have in the bracket is the same. That is the idea behind factorization. You have the same, you must have the same thing in the bracket. So just pair the one you have outside here with the next one by saying x minus 5 and pick out one of the one in the bracket. So you have 2x minus 3. Now we take it individually and we equate it to 0. So we have x minus 5 equals to 0, or we say x equals to 5 when this comes to the other side. So the other one, we have 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So by the time we come here, we say 2x equals to 3. So meaning x equals to 3 over 2 or 5. Thank you.